Starship is a super heavy-lift launch vehicle under development by SpaceX. Standing at 119 meters, 390 feet tall, it is the tallest and most powerful launch vehicle ever built, and the first intended to be fully reusable. The Starship launch vehicle is made up of the first stage Super Heavy booster and the Starship second stage. The second stage functions as a self-contained spacecraft for carrying crew or cargo once in orbit. Both rocket stages are powered by Raptor engines, which burn liquid oxygen and liquid methane propellants in a highly efficient full-flow staged combustion power cycle. After completing their flight, both rocket stages will be recovered, including the Super Heavy booster, which would be caught by the launch tower's mechanical arms. Starship is planned to have a payload capacity of 150 t, 330,000 pounds, to low Earth orbit in its fully reusable configuration, and 250 t, 550,000 pounds, to low Earth orbit if fully expended. It is designed to be flown multiple times to spread out the cost of the spacecraft. The spacecraft is planned to be refuelable in orbit before traveling to destinations that require more change in velocity to reach them, such as the Moon and Mars. Proposed near-term applications for Starship include delivering astronauts and large satellites to Earth orbit, building the Starlink Internet constellation, and facilitating the exploration of the Moon, Starship HLS, and Mars. Plans to create a heavy-lift launch vehicle at SpaceX date back to 2005. The methane-oxygen engines, later named Raptor, were in development since 2012, and the plan for building the launch vehicle was announced publicly for the first time in 2016. The development program for Starship follows an iterative and incremental approach, involving frequent prototype construction, testing, and refinement, including low and high-altitude flight tests. The first orbital flight test is planned to take place at April 17 at 1300 Coordinated Universal Time, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time, with both stages attempting a soft water landing.